Welcome to Eye in the Sky Drones, where we do drone content, tech-related content, video content. We take care of all your needs here. If you like what you see, consider hitting subscribe and the like button. First, I want to talk about drones, DJI drones. What DJI products? You know, everybody likes the drones, the Mavic Air 2, the Mavic 2 Zoom, but there's other things that DJI makes that could be very useful. And that goes along with saying with video content. When you're looking at video, DJI makes great gimbals and great video products. And what I wanted to take a look at today was the Osmo Pocket. This little guy is great. It's small form factor. It has a gimbal on it and it shoots in 4K. A lot of my videos here on Eye in the Sky Drones, I shoot using this, the Osmo Pocket. It's great because I can shoot my videos in 4K. I have a DSLR, but this little guy meets my needs. Shoots great video, good quality, and I can get that 4K footage that I look for. So, I mean, of course you can use your DSLR, but if you're on the go, you need good quality video, the DJI Osmo Pocket. It's been on the market for a while. It can shoot 4K, shoot 1080p, 2.7K, shoot slow-mo. It's a good little tool to use. It's a great little product. Consider checking it out. It may suit your video needs, your vlogging needs. It's a great tool. Alright, I'm signing off from Eye in the Sky Drones. Always be safe and have fun flying.